you'll get fire tornadoes, basically. And then that, of course, creates a situation where the fire trap is better. Oh, there we go. Can you see the blue tips of the fire up at the top? It's getting bluer as we go. Always reminds me of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire.
Oh my God, I was just thinking that.
So
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my God. One more. And then, of course, I like to change it because then I get bigger tornadoes. I would say I added a little distance. And you can kind of see the air currents because of the way the flames are twisting. And the answer is no. If you take off the screen, it doesn't work. You need the air and the way that it spins in the tube to get the flame to be the way it is.
Can you keep it going? Just keep on spinning it, make it keep going.
This is just my favorite demo of the year. I love this. I went to a different high school and the teacher said, "Oh, look what I've got! I've got this fire tornado." He showed it to us. I need one of those. Well, we can't let any of these lovely flames go to waste, can we? I guess I didn't need the heater on earlier.
That's what I think. Just keep it going, man. He's got the better angle here. He's putting this on YouTube.
YouTube.
One more spin the other way. I think it's almost out of juice. And you guys need to start your lab anyway.
That's pretty tight.
No, let's don't start our lab
I
yet.
don't know if I can blow it out. There might be too much left in there. Yeah, apparently so.
Yeah, there's still way too much. Keep it going.